joint mobility, Spidermans. Take a long step forward or back, making sure the knee stays tracking over the second and third toe. Place your hands to the inside of your forefoot. Your knee should be stacked over the top of the heel, not behind and not in front of that foot. So the whole foot should be able to stay in contact with the ground. From there, exhale, lowering your chest to the floor. Step back up and switch legs. Another variation for this is to stay in the down position, step the leg back, and switch.